Hello everyone. We are all going through a very challenging phase in our lives. But I strongly believe that every challenge brings the best out of us and presents us with a lot of opportunities to improve and grow further. Over the last couple of months, during this pandemic-led lockdown, the telecom services have played an important role. We've always believed that telecom has become the fourth basic need, but I think this fact has been really emphasized during this lockdown period, and I think the trends would continue in the same direction. The pace at which telecom services have been adopted or the usage has happened speaks a lot about what is there in future for the telecom industry. I think the telecom industry will become the flag bearer in the revival of the economy and rebuilding the entire economic cycle for us. Additionally, I think the telecom industry will play a great role in improving the ease of communication, making it more effective and more transparent. And not just communication, all the transactions that we do with each other will also improve greatly over a period of time. It will not be an exaggeration to say that the telecom industry will be the catalyst for all the aspects of human life, be it e-learning, be it work from home scenarios, be it the online or digital transactions for business or personal reasons. So I think we have some good opportunity for the sector. It will be a clear revival cycle for the industry, and I'm sure all the stakeholders, starting from the customers, the employees, the entrepreneurs, and the nation itself will benefit greatly from this buoyancy in telecom business. And when this setup is there, this kind of an opportunity is available, it is very important that all the professionals, all the young budding professionals, students who intend to make a career in telecom industry work on skill building very seriously. I think we have huge requirement of skilled human resource to steer us through this growth cycle, and all those who leverage the various initiatives taken by the government or by the communication industry on skill building will create a niche for themselves and secure a very long-term and rewarding careers for themselves. Friends, this pandemic has actually served as a pause button in our lives, but a very important pause button. I think it gave us an opportunity to reflect and identify our priorities in life, our weak areas, improvement areas, and redefine our future life. But I am very sure we will tide over this challenge and come out victorious, and will post this pandemic will emerge as a better individual, a very responsive society, a powerful nation, and a beautiful world. Thank you. Be safe. Take care. God bless you all.